guys, this video is all about one of the most peaceful places we have recently visited in Malaysia. Today we are heading up to where the jungle meets the sky. This is Penang Hill and a quick little sanctuary called the Habitat. To get to the top of the Penang Hill, we took one of the steepest funicular railway in the world. And honestly, the ride itself feels like the part of the magic. Glass windows, thick forest all around, and the city slowly fading behind us. Like we were leaving the world for another. It's only take a few minutes, but it is there with you. Quick heads up if you are planning your own trip. There's a multi-story car park right at the basic station, easy to find, and usually not too full. You can buy train tickets online or at the station, but weekends get crowded fast. We would suggest booking online or going for the fast lane option to skip the queue and get a window seat. Or you can actually hike up 2 to 3 hours through the lush forest. It's free and honestly kind of epic. When we reached the top, it was still early. The mist was thick, curling through the trees like smoke. It felt quiet and a little otherworldly. From the viewing deck, you can spot Georgetown and Second Penang Beach and even the mainland on the clear day. It was getting a little busy by then. The Penang Hill Railway has been running since 1923. That's over 100 years of carrying people up into the clouds. We stopped at David Brown's cafe for breakfast. The garden setting in the mist was lovely, but the wait not so much. Took over an hour to get our food, so if you are tight on time, you would probably skip it and grab something later. There's a few souvenir shops near the station, worth a quick look before moving on. A short walk from the train station brings you to the Habitat. It's a rainforest reserve built around trees that are over 130 million years old. No loud music, no theme park rides. Just stillness, bird song, and the soft crunch of leaves underfoot. The moment you enter, everything slows down. Inside, we walk past towering diprocrap trees, orchid growing wild, and feature plants dangling from vines. There are shaded benches, refill station, and even forest swing. It's a gentle walk, peaceful and refreshing.
And this is the map for you. So the ticket you need to... you have to walk back to the train station. From the exit to the train station, it's about 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
Thank you. Can you have another?
Yeah, sure.
One of our favorite spots, the Langua Way Canopy Walk, a hanging bridge above the treetop. When the mist rolls in, it's surreal, like floating in the clouds. We just stood there breathing it in. Sometimes you might spot dusky leaf monkeys nearby. Next stop, Curtis Crest. It's the highest point on Penang Island. Come early for the foggy magical view, or stay for sunset when golden light touch everything. We even found a giant wooden swing in the forest, simple but so calming. The forest trail winds slowly, mossy, greeny, and full of little surprises. We followed the lizard, watched birds, noticed wildflowers and tiny orchids. The more we slowed down, the more we noticed.
See, this lizard? It's a chameleon striped lizard.
There's also a quiet display with preserved animal and insect, a reminder of the life hidden in this forest. We don't need to look far, you just need to look closely.
Didn't see.
At the end of the trail, there's a small eco shop handmade of essential oils and nature-inspired souvenirs. Then a car shuttle brings you back to the main station. We grabbed lunch at the Penang Hill food court. Lot of local options, fast, tasty and good way to the recharge after walking. So should you visit Penang Hill and the Habitat? Absolutely. Come early, wear comfy shoes and slow down. If you are chasing view or just need stillness, this place gives you both. Thanks for being here with us on this peaceful journey. If you enjoy it, give us a like, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. We have got more calming adventures coming on your way. See you in the next one.